Okay, so I've booted into or I haven't booted, but I've just opened up VMware Workstation. I'm using version 8. So I have a couple of virtual machines that I've already set up and I've been working with. In this instance, I want to actually make a copy of a Windows 7 installation. I don't want to mess up or make modifications to the existing install that I have. So what I want to do is right click on the Windows 7 or whatever you've named your virtual machine, then go down to the Manage tab, and I want to clone it. And so it'll walk through a wizard. Let's see, so I want to clone from however the last time so I'll hit next, and then it'll give me some options here. I can either create a linked clone or a full clone. A linked clone is referenced to the original virtual machine and requests less disk space to store. However, it cannot run without access to the original virtual machine. A full clone is a complete copy of the original as current state. The virtual machine is fully independent but requires more disk space. I'm going to go with the full clone. The benefits of that, again, are that I can operate this, and say I completely delete this existing one that I'm cloning from, it will have no problems. If I do the linked clone, it's going to need a lot of information back from our original file. So as long as I have the disk space and I understand the differences between either a linked clone or a full clone, that will help you make your decision. But for what I'm going to do, I want to do a full clone. And I'll call this, I'll just give it the default name, clone of Windows 7. And that'll just help me differentiate which machine I want to work with. When you open your library in VM Workstation, you'll see right now I have Windows 7, Ubuntu, and DSL. Eventually, when this process is complete, we'll see our new cloned Windows 7. So I'll pause it here while the wizard runs through. Okay, so it looks like our clone is complete, so we can go ahead and hit close. And you see over in our library that our clone of Windows 7 has popped up. So we'll end this tutorial at this point, and in the future we will go into our clone of Windows 7 to explore some of the functionality that we want to explore. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and have a great day.